15-min standing arm workout. No push-ups, just dumbbells. Stop scrolling. If you hate push-ups but still want strong toned arms, this workout is for you. We're doing a full 15-minute standing arm workout using only dumbbells. No floor, no pressure on your wrists, and yes, serious results. So grab your weights, stand tall, and let's sculpt those arms together. Warm up. Before we dive in, let's warm up those muscles to avoid injury. Start with arm circles, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. Next, shoulder rolls. Loosen up your traps and upper back. Then, light crossbody swings just to get blood flowing. Finally, a quick march in place, core tight, chest up, and deep breaths in and out. All right, muscles are awake. Let's go. Workout start. Grab your dumbbells. We'll work for 40 seconds, rest for 20 seconds between each move. First move, bicep curls. Keep your elbows close to your sides. Curl up, squeeze your biceps at the top, then lower slowly. Remember, control matters more than speed. Next, front raises. Raise the dumbbells straight in front of you, shoulder height, then lower. Feel that burn in your shoulders. Third, lateral raises. Lift arms out to your sides, palms facing down. Don't swing your body. Keep it steady and controlled. Fourth, overhead press. Press the dumbbells above your head and slowly lower back down. Engage your core so you don't arch your back. Last for round 1, hammer curls. Palms face each other, curl up and down. Great for forearms and biceps definition. Mini break. Shake out those arms. That was just the beginning. If you're feeling the burn already, that means it's working. Hydrate if needed and get ready for round 2. Remember, strong arms aren't just about looks. They help with posture, daily tasks, and boost your confidence. Even 15 minutes a day adds up. You don't need a gym, fancy machines, or push-ups. You just need consistency and a positive attitude. We're repeating the pattern, but with a twist to hit every muscle fiber. Keep that energy up. No push-ups, just standing strong. Move 1. Alternating cross-body curls. Hold your dumbbells at your sides. Curl one arm across your body toward the opposite shoulder, then switch sides. Keep your elbows locked in place and move only your forearms. This works your biceps and inner arm lines, giving that sculpted look. Move 2. Arnold press. Start with dumbbells in front of your face, palms facing in. As you press up, rotate your wrists outward. Lower slowly and rotate palms back toward you. This hits your front delts, side delts, and biceps all in one move. Named after the legend himself, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Move 3. Upright rows. Hold dumbbells in front of your thighs, palms facing your body. Pull the dumbbells up to chest level, keeping them close to your torso. Elbows go higher than your wrists. This move targets your shoulders, traps, and upper arms. Perfect for that strong V-shape. Move 4. Lateral pulse raises. Lift your arms halfway out to the sides and pulse 3 times before lowering. Control the movement and feel the burn in your shoulders. These small pulses build endurance and tone in your delts. Move 5. Tricep kickbacks. Slightly bend your knees, hinge at the hips, and keep your back flat. Push your elbows behind you and extend your arms straight back. Squeeze your triceps at the top. This exercise tightens the back of your arms. Say goodbye to flabby arms. Woo, you're doing amazing. Take a 30-second break. Roll your shoulders, shake out your arms, and drink a sip of water. You've got one more round, the final burn round, and it's gonna make your arms pop. Let's go. Burnout round. All right, round 3, the finisher round. This one will sculpt, burn, and define. Each move is 30 seconds, no long breaks, just pure fire. Move 1. Fast bicep pulses. Halfway curl and pulse up and down. Keep tension on the muscle. No resting at the bottom. Move 2. Overhead dumbbell. Hold. Lift dumbbells straight above your head and hold for 30 seconds. Engage your shoulders and arms. This is your endurance challenge. Move 3. Side to front raise combo. Lift out to the sides, bring arms forward, then down. Smooth motion. No jerking. This move kills your shoulders in the best way. Move 4. Reverse grip curls. Palms facing down, curl up and lower slowly. Focus on your forearms and the outer head of your biceps. Move 5. Tricep extensions. Overhead. Hold one dumbbell behind your head with both hands. Extend your arms up, then lower slowly behind your head. Keep elbows close to your ears. You're in the final stretch. Keep pushing. Listen, that burn you're feeling right now is progress. Every rep you do is a small victory. Most people quit when it starts to hurt, but not you. You're here, showing up, getting stronger, one day at a time. Standing workouts like this prove that you don't need the floor, you don't need push-ups, and you definitely don't need excuses. You're building real strength and confidence, the kind that shows inside and out. Let's cool it down and stretch those arms so they recover properly. Start with gentle arm swings, side to side. Then pull one arm across your chest, hold for 20 seconds, switch sides. Now, tricep stretch, reach one arm up and behind your head, gently pull with your other hand. Finally, take a deep breath in and exhale. You did it. Workout reflection. Take a moment, breathe, and feel that pump in your arms. That's your hard work paying off. You just completed 15 minutes of pure strength. No push-ups, no floor exercises, just you, your dumbbells, and determination. This is the kind of routine you can repeat daily or 3 to 4 times a week for real transformation. Your arms should feel tight, warm, and alive right now. That's blood flow rushing to the muscles to repair and grow. So don't skip your cool down or hydration. Muscles recover faster when you give them rest, protein, and water. You've done something powerful today. You've shown your body what it's capable of. Transformation tips. Now let S talk about results, because everyone wants to see that change in the mirror. If you stay consistent with this 15-minute workout, you'll start noticing more definition in your shoulders, toned biceps and triceps, stronger grip and posture improvement. But here's the truth. You can't out-train your diet. Pair this workout with clean eating. Add lean protein, chicken, eggs, tofu, fish. Eat more fiber from veggies and fruits. Avoid sugary drinks and late-night snacks, and don't forget sleep. Muscles grow and recover when you rest. Aim for at least 7 hours every night. The secret to flat, strong arms is not just intensity, it's consistency. 10 or 15 minutes daily might look small, but over time, it compounds into something amazing. Mindset and motivation. You might be thinking, can just 15 minutes really make a difference? Yes, if you do it with focus. Because 15 minutes of consistency beats 1 hour of excuses every single day. Remember, every strong body you admire started from zero. No one wakes up with toned arms. They earn it, 1 rep at a time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. So the next time you feel like skipping a workout, remind yourself, you're doing this for your strength, your confidence, and your health. This is your journey. Own it. If you made it this far, you're not ordinary. You're dedicated. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, do me one favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss more workouts like this. Drop a comment below. I'm stronger every day to let me know you finished this workout. And share this video with a friend who always skips push-ups. Show them that standing workouts can transform your arms too. Remember, your best body doesn't come from motivation alone. It comes from action. So keep showing up, keep pushing, and keep believing in yourself. You're stronger than you think.